Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to create a payment link with Fanbasis. Whether you're a content creator, small business, or influencer, Fanbasis offers a seamless way to receive payments online. Let's get started. First, head over to fanbasis.com and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details and verify your email to create your account. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the Fanbasis dashboard. Here you can access your account settings, payments, and content management features all within a sleek interface. To create a new payment link, click on Payments in the menu. From there, select Create Payment Link and follow the prompts to set it up. Make your payment link unique. You can customize it by adding your logo and selecting brand colors to make it more recognizable to your audience. Next, set your payment amounts. Fanbasis allows you to choose fixed amounts or variable pricing, giving you flexibility to suit different transactions. Before you share your link, be sure to test it. Click on your newly created link to confirm that payments are processed effortlessly. Now that your payment link is ready, it's time to share it. Use social media, your website, or emails to promote your link, ensuring it's easy to find. On your dashboard, you can track all transactions and manage payments. Use this data to gain insights into your sales and adjust your strategies as needed. Congratulations! You're now equipped to create payment links with Fanbasis. For more tips on maximizing your use of the platform, be sure to check out our additional resources.